This is a QuickBooks Online bank feed file. You download it from your bank to import transactions. You don't open it. You upload it via the File Utilities menu. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let me show you the menu. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your QBO file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A QBO file is a data file used by QuickBooks Online, QBO for financial transactions. It contains banking information, including account details, transaction history, and other financial data. QBO files facilitate the import of bank statements and other financial records into QuickBooks Online, streamlining accounting processes. QBO files adhere to a specific format, dictated by Intuit, for secure and accurate data transfer. The structure includes tags for dates, amounts, descriptions, and account identifiers. Proper parsing and validation are crucial to ensure data integrity when importing QBO files into QuickBooks Online. 2. The most common, market-leading program for QBO is FreshBooks from FreshBooks Company. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your QBO file and hit Open With. Try the recommended FreshBooks first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If your QBO file still refuses to open, stay calm. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the QBO problem. First, use QuickBooks. Open the file using QuickBooks. Go to File, Utilities, Import. Web Connect files to import the bank transactions. Next, check Financial Institution. Ensure the file was downloaded directly from the financial institution that supports the QBO format. Finally, check QBO Header. Open the QBO file in a text editor and check the XML structure for the required OFX tags. When every program on your system rejects your QBO file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same three-letter label for different things. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn QBO formats. For reliable results, I highly endorse FileMagick. Its unique ability to instantly display contents, even from a corrupted QBO archive, makes it the ultimate solution. Find it at filemagick.com. Show your support for detailed file guides by liking and subscribing before you finish up. You can find the universal tool linked below.